you doing? And welcome to my vlog. I spy a Stang. I'm at my buddy's place. They're getting that tire swapped out. And what do I spy in the parking lot? Cobra rims on it. Look at that. I know the guy that owns it. It is a GT. He's modified the engine with different heads, exhaust, tuned it. He's put 410 gears in the rear. What year is she? She is a 96. He's got on the Cobras here. Oh, he's got Mickey Thompson's. Nice. 315, 35 R17s. Jeez. Look how wide those suckers are. Man. Very nice. Now to do that, being Cobra rims, he said he had to flip over the shock in the back, and he had to bend something down. Not exactly sure what, but oh man. Got the Ford Mach 460 speakers in it. Wow. And he says he's punching 300 and something at the rear. He was in Bosse's for auto mechanics, and he was able to take his motor in as a project, which is great because you young guys that are looking to work on cars, you're still in high school, go to a Bosse's. Go to a Bosse's class and take your car in and modify your motor. Fortunately, he didn't change his clutch, so he's got to do that. What's he got on the front? Oh, 245/40 ZR17s, which is what the wife has on her red Mustang. All the way around. So that's a combination. 245/40s in the front with the 315/35s in the rear. So there you go. 96 looking good. Uh-oh. Guess what I see? Woo, yeah. Nice. Cobra. Right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next I Spy a Stang.